The freaking kitty is back. My God. He's going to do a live stream tomorrow at 11 Eastern, and this thing ripped faces off on that news. AMC went with it, FFIE, KOSS, a bunch of names. So I'm likely going to avoid GME directly. If this thing breaks 65, gosh, looks like it's going to 100. This is just wild. See what happens on the live stream tomorrow. If it's a sell the news, if the gap up, there's no point really making a plan because you don't know if this thing's going to gap down, gap up, fade pre-market, squeeze out, So no real plan on it. Just this is where all the attention is going to be. And I think AMC is the safer of the bunch. Levels I've marked here, 860s from this high volume VWAP. You've got this 910s was key level from this day and this day. Then you've got the 1180s as the prior top. So I'll be using those three levels. Let me mark this one as well, just so I don't forget tomorrow. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Doesn't like the live stream software with the lines. There we go. So those will be the key levels. I'll play with that one. FFIE gapping up so far, and it's coming into a bunch of resistance. Just another sympathy off of this one because it's a high short interest. KOSS, the nicest looking daily chart out of the bunch. So if I get long, I imagine it'll be on this one. Over this 540 was a nice ABCD break. AEMD, I usually avoid day ones. This one just felt like it was a bit different. You got that VWAP exhaustion and then the bouncing balls off of 76. I had leaned some in pre-market and covered before open, hopeful of a pop, and I shorted, covered, and then reshorted as it was staying heavy off that prior support, now becoming resistance, and I covered a bit early, but all in all, nice little trade. MLGO, I think it could get a backside bounce on this thing tomorrow. I like that it's now had 2 days off the highs. Volume is still kind of holding up, and it looks like we've got enough room back up to the 7s or 8s. I don't love that it's pushed both times in the morning to fade off. So I'd be looking for a gap down, wash out, something a bit different than the morning spike and fail. ASTS, unfortunately, it stopped me out here, and then today came all the way back towards this 940s again. So I'll be looking for flushes towards 920s to join for this 940s, 950s breakout. And I think that's it. So focus will be on, ASTS, MLGO, and then GME and its sympathies. And I think that'll be plenty of action going into a Friday and a week. All the best to you guys. Stay safe out there. This is wild. Don't feel like you have to trade this. This kind of gamified action. What I like to do usually with this kind of stuff is let the momentum come through these and be able to play the more predictable daily chart patterns as they come off the back end of these. Anyways, be safe, trade them well, and I will see you guys in the room tomorrow.